Hello everyone, in this opportunity I would like to present our research paper called Effect of Employee Work Discipline on Community Satisfaction at the Manisa Unima Sub-District Office, Sotonono District, Minahasa Regency. In this part, I would like to explain you some background issues from this research paper. Work discipline is one aspect of a work system that must be considered in an organization to increase the satisfaction of the people served in an organization. This is because the good or bad performance shown by an employee is influenced by the whether or not the disciplinary system is run by an organization. In general, if employees comes to the office regularly on time, well dressed in the workplace, and using materials and equipment carefully, they produce a satisfactory amount and quality of work and follow the way of work defined by the organization and finish very well. The Mesa Unima Sub-District Office, in providing services to the community, hasn't been maximized. Based on the result of survey of service procedures at Mesa Unima Sub-District Office, it is not clear that there is no information board explaining the service procedures shown to the community or customers. The discipline of working for employees at the Mesa Unima Village Office is still not optimal. There are still some employees who haven't applied discipline at work. This can be seen from the presence of the employees who haven't arrived at the right time, so that service activities are disrupted and make it difficult for the community because of these employees. The method that we use in this research is quantitative, and there are two variables in this research. The first one is X for work discipline and Y for community satisfaction. Instruments are determined by the level of validity and reliability. The test of the instrument is intended to determine the validity and reliability of the instrument so that it can be known whether or not the instrument is feasible to use in collecting research data. Instrumental trials were conducted on 26 people from Mesa Unima village, and the results shown that the instrument is valid and reliable. The amount of respondents for this research is 76 people. Now we are at the part of result and discussion. It is known that the value of F count is 17,900 with a significance level of 0.00, which means more than 0.05. The regression model can be used to predict the community satisfaction variable. In the other words, there is an influence of work disciplines on the community satisfaction. It can be concluded that there is a positive and significant influence between work discipline on community satisfaction at the Mesa Unima Sub-District Office. It is known that the large influence between work discipline on community satisfaction in the Mesa Sub-District Office is explained by the correlation R, which is 0.441, and from this result, it is explained that the coefficient of determination is 0.195. The meaning is the influence of the independent variable on the dependent variable is 19.5%. This proves that employee work disciplines makes a positive contribution of 19.5% in generating community satisfaction, while the other 80.5% is influenced by other factors that is not examined in this study. The correlation between work discipline and community satisfaction is N for 76 people with the correlation value of 0.441, which means the variable is in medium category. Then the basis for decision making is like what you can see from the screen. From the calculations obtained through the help of SPSS, a significance value of 0.000, where the significant value is less than 0.05 or 0.00 less than 0.05, means that the employee work disciplines affects community satisfaction at the Mesa Unima Sub-District Office. Of all the analyses carried out in this study, it proves that the hypothesis is accepted in this study. In conclusion, the work discipline of an organization employees will affect the work of employees. The work of employees who are carried out with discipline will produce results that are in accordance with the need of the community. Discipline is applied because of the regulation made by the agency. Regulations are made to be obeyed by all who work in the agency in order to form discipline. Employee disciplines will affect people's satisfaction. The community will feel satisfied if the officers who serve are disciplined. The contribution of variable X or work discipline to variable Y or community satisfaction in Manisa Unima village is 19.5%, and the remaining 80.5% is determined by other variables not examined in this study. Based on the result of the t-test, namely the significant test, it shows that the t-count is greater than t-table, namely t-count of 4.231 and the t-table of 2.000. For the hypothesis which states that there is an influence between employee work discipline on community satisfaction in Maisa Unime village is accepted. That is all from this research. Thank you. Have a nice day.